I mean for what I've done to my family. For harming them. Funny thing is, all I ever wanted was to make them happy.
This is BBC One. We interrupt normal programming to bring you an important announcement. At approximately 7:30 p.m. today, an unidentified flying object crash-landed in the Houses of Parliament. It is unknown if this is extraterrestrial life or not. However, we can confirm that this has caused damage in most of the Houses of Parliament, and people inside it whether have been killed or have been taken to a nearby hospital. We have no more information for the time being. Please stay tuned for more information. This is an urgent update from BBC One. People have reported to have spotted green creatures, also known to be called aliens. Reports have also been shown that these creatures are killing people with a weapon called the ray gun. We advise citizens to stay indoors until further notice. If these creatures are outside your house, do not attempt to let them in. If they break into your house, contact 999 immediately. Unfortunately, the death toll is expected to rise due to today's events. We will switch to the news for this unsettling event.